Good morning, friends, and welcome to Reading Mastery Lesson 17. First, we're going to practice our sound. When I move under the sound, I'll say it. Get ready? S. Your turn. Get ready? Yes. S. Again. Get ready? Yes. S. Good job saying S. Now it's time to do what the picture shows. First, what are you going to do? Yes, you're going to open your mouth. Then, what will you do next? Yes, you will close your mouth and you will touch your ear. When I go back to the dot, what do? That's right, you stop. Get ready. Great job. Let's do it again. Show me what you're going to do. Get ready. Yes, you did just what the picture shows. Great job. When I move under the sounds, I want you to tell me what it is. Get ready? Yes. 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 All right, we're going to do it quickly. Top down. Get ready? Get ready? Get ready? Get ready? Get ready? Good job. Let's do that again. Top down, all together. Get ready? Get ready? Get ready? Get ready? Get ready? Great job with your sounds, guys. Now, boys and girls, I'm going to say some words and some sounds. First, we're going to say them slowly. Then, say them fast. Listen. Get ready. Again, get ready. Say it fast. Yes. Let's sound it out again. Get ready. Say it fast. Great job. Listen. You're going to say rock. Say it with me. Get ready. Rock. Again. Get ready. Rock. Say it fast. Yes, rock. Great job. Listen. At. Say it with me. Get ready. At. Again. Get ready. Again. Together. Get ready. At. Say it fast. Yes. At. Wonderful job saying a word or a sound slowly and then saying it fast. I'm going to say a word slowly and then you're going to say it fast. Listen. Mud. Say it fast. What word? Yes, mud. Let's say it again. Mud. Say it fast. Yes, mud. In the picture, they are playing in mud. What word? Yes, they are playing in mud. Does it look like they're having fun? I don't know. I think she might be a little upset that she got her pants dirty. First, you're going to say the sound slowly. Then you're going to say it fast. Say it slowly. Get ready. Say it fast. Good job. Let's do it together. We're going to say it slowly. Get ready. Say it fast. Good job. Get ready to say it slowly. Get ready. Let's do that again. Remember, no stopping between the sounds. Let's do it together. Your turn. Get ready. Say it fast. Yes. Good job. Now let's see if you can say all of these sounds without making a mistake. Watch the pointer. Get ready. Yes. 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 Good. You said all of the sounds in the column. My turn to say a word slowly. First I'll say then I'll say I. Listen. My. Here I go. My. Do it with me. First you'll say then you'll say I. Get ready. My. Again, by yourself. Get ready. One more turn, all by yourself. Get ready. Great job. Next word. Listen. First I'll say then I'll say and. Listen again. Ran. Do it with me. First you'll say then you'll say and. Get ready to say it all together. Ran. Your turn by yourself. Get ready. Yes, great job. Next word. Listen. See. Listen. First I'll say then I'll say E. Do it with me. First you'll say then you'll say E. Let's do it all together. Get ready. See. Again, all by yourself. Get ready. Again, get ready. Very good. Your turn to do one of the words that we just did the slow way. Listen. First you'll say, then you'll say, and. What are you going to say first? Get ready. Then what are you going to say? Yes. First you'll say, then you'll say, and. Get ready. Again. Get ready. Good saying, and the slow way. Your turn to say another word that we just did the slow way. Listen. First you'll say, then you'll say, I. You're going to say it with me. Get ready. My. Again, your turn. Get ready. Good saying, my, the slow way. The word you will say tells you what you're going to see on your worksheet. Listen. Plays. Say it fast. Yes, plays. Let's sound that out. Get ready. Plays. What do you see on the worksheet? Yes, the girl plays the piano. Listen. Plays. Say it fast. Yes, plays. Good job. Down here, put your finger on the big black dot. We're going to move our finger under and say the sound. Get ready. Ah. Your turn. Yes. Ah. Next sound. Get ready. Your turn. Get ready. Yes. Now you're going to write your sound. Remember, start on the big black dot and as neatly as you can, trace the dotted line. You're going to do that for all of the on the bottom of this worksheet. On the back of your worksheet, we're going to play the cross-out game. What sound are we crossing out, boys and girls? Yes, we're going to cross out the S. So make sure you look all around the top of this and find the S to cross out. Are you going to cross out the house? No. Are you going to cross out the ah? No. You're going to cross out the S. Very good. After you play the cross-out game, follow the dots and finish the picture on the bottom of your worksheet. When you're all done doing that, you can color your worksheet. Great job today, boys and girls.